Hello everybody, hope you guys having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable tags on your WooCommerce store. So there are two steps you need to do to enable tags. The first thing that is turn on the tags option in WooCommerce settings, and the second thing is to set a tax rate. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to here, WooCommerce settings, and scroll a bit down. You see that there's a box here. You need to check this, enable tax rates and calculations, and click on save changes. Now you can see that there is a new tab here called tax. Click on that, and here you can see there are a lot of options here, but I think most of them are self-explanatory. For example, calculate tax based on either shipping address or billing address or your shop address. So here there's one important thing here, shipping tax class. Normally the tax for shipping will be calculated based on the tax for the items in your cart. But if you want to set it to something else, for example, normally your items in the cart has 10% tax rate, but for shipping you may charge like 50%, then you need to add a tax class here. So for example, I'm going to add shipping tax here. Make sure you click on save changes, and then you can click here to select the newly added tax class here. So you click on save changes again, and then you can see that there's a tab here. This is where you configure the tax rate for shipping only. Okay, so we have enabled tax on WooCommerce store, but we haven't set a tax rate. I'm going to configure standard rates here. This is the default rate for all items on our store. I click on this. I haven't set any tax rate. I click on insert row here, and you can see that you can specify the tax for country, state, and to the city. So I want to keep this simple. I set a tax rate for US at 10%. For all cities in the US, there will be a tax of 10% on the items, and I want to exclude shipping, so I remove this checked. Now save changes. Okay, so that is all you need to do to enable tax on your store. Now I'm going to open my store in a new window, and I'm going to try to place an order. So for example, I want to order 2 items, this one 3, and now I go to the cart, proceed to check out, and I will start to enter the address. So make sure the address should be US. And you can see that here we have the tax of 10% here. Our order subtotal is 93. Shipping, we don't have tax on shipping, so the tax of 10% would be on this $33. This is the total price including tax. So hopefully you'll find the tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you very much.